Here we are discussing third question from exercise 9.1 of the chapter straight lines. Here question is find the distance between P and Q. Coordinates of P and Q are given here. Coordinates of P are x1, y1 and coordinates of Q are x2, y2. When two cases are here. When PQ is parallel to the y-axis and second case when PQ is parallel to the x-axis. So question will be very clear with the help of a diagram of Cartesian plane. So first let us discuss here first part. First of all we will draw axis system here. X dash is x-axis and y dash is y-axis. First case is PQ is parallel to the y-axis. Suppose this is PQ. Coordinates of P are here x1, y1 and coordinates of Q are x2, y2. So there are two methods of solving this question. First is distance formula that we have discussed already in the video of introduction of this chapter. And second is very simple. First we are discussing it. So as PQ is parallel to y coordinates, so here x coordinates of these 2 points P and Q will remain same, will be equal. So here we will get x1 is equal to x2 because if you draw perpendicular here, this much distance is x1. Okay, if write you m here, then here OM is equal to x1 is equal to x2. Clear? So the distance between these 2 points PQ, if you draw perpendicular here like this, suppose this is PN and this is QR. So clearly here PQ is equal to NR and NR is equal to OR minus ON. And this is equal to OR is Y2 and ON is Y1, Y2 minus Y1. So this is the answer of first part. PQ is equal to Y2 minus Y1. And another method by distance formula. By distance formula, PQ is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. As x1 and x2 are equal, so this is equal to 0 and y2 minus y1 whole square and then square root. So simply we will get y2 minus y1 here. So plus y2 minus y1 whole square and we are getting this is equal to y2 minus y1. This is the answer for this first part. Now let us discuss second part here. Again axis system XO x dash and YO y dash. In second case PQ is parallel to x-axis. Suppose PQ is here, point P and point Q. Coordinates of point P, let us take x1 y1 and coordinates of point Q is x2 y2. So here y coordinates of both the points P and Q will be same because PQ is parallel to x-axis. So in this case y1 is equal to y2. So in this case distance formula, PQ is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here y1 is equal to y2, so this will be 0. So simply x2 minus x1 whole square and it is square root. So PQ is equal to x2 minus x1. This is the answer of the second case, second part of this question. So first part answer is y2 minus y1 and second part distance PQ is x2 minus x1. Very interesting. Understood it? Question number 4 from the exercise 9.1 of the chapter straight lines. Question is here, find a point on the x-axis which is equidistant from the points 7, 6 and 3, 4. Question will be more clear with the help of a diagram, but diagram is not required here. Okay, so let us see. Without drawing Cartesian system, you can solve it very easily. So let us see the solution. Let this is point A, 7, 6, and point B has coordinates 3, 4. And let us suppose let P be a point with coordinates x, y such that AP is equal to BP. Here given that this point is equidistant and this point lies on x-axis. So as P having coordinates x, y lies on x-axis, so y coordinate will be 0, because you know that along the x-axis y coordinate is always 0. So therefore we can write point P has coordinates x and 0. Simply we have to find value of x here because y coordinate is 0. Using distance formula, here we have distances are equal. AP is equal to BP, or squaring both sides, AP square is equal to BP square. Why squaring? In distance formula radical sign is there. So if we square both the sides, radical sign will be removed. So simplification will become easier. Okay. So AP square will be how much? We'll use the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. Coordinates of A are 7 and 6 and coordinates of P are x and 0. So we can write x minus 7 whole square plus 0 minus 6 whole square. This will give us the value of AP square. Okay. After simplifying, we can write this is x square minus 14x plus 49 plus 36. So therefore AP square is equal to x square minus 14x plus 49 plus 36, 85. Correct? Write it relation number 1. Similarly, we have to find out BP square also. Coordinates of B are 3, 4 and coordinates of P are x0. So BP square will be x minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square. This is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9 plus 16. This is equal to x square minus 6x plus 25. So here we are getting BP square is equal to x square minus 6x plus 25. Let us write it relation number 2. So by relation number 1 and 2, we can write here AP square is equal to BP square. So we can write x square minus 14x plus 85 is equal to x square minus 6x plus 25. After solving this equation, we will get the value of x. X square will be cancel out. If minus 6x is transposed to left side, then minus 14x plus 6x, that is minus 8x. And if 85 is transposed to right side, then minus 60. Minus will be cancelled out from both the sides. So x is equal to 60 by 8 and this is equal to 15 by 2. So we are getting value of x here. So now we can write the coordinates of this point P. Therefore, answer will be coordinates of point P. So here value of x is 15/2 and y coordinate is 0. Correct? This is the answer. Hope understood it. Very simple question. Okay. We will see some more questions. So remain in touch with this video and share this video with your friends also. Wish you all the best.